everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, meet the 2025 Dacia Duster, the latest evolution of Europe's favorite budget-friendly SUV. Rugged, practical, and surprisingly refined, this all-new Duster is here to shake things up once again. First things first, let's talk design. The 2025 Duster is built on the CMF-B platform, shared with the Renault Captur and Clio, giving it a stronger, more refined base. But it keeps that unmistakable Duster DNA, chunky lines, flared wheel arches, and bold Y-shaped LED headlights front and rear. There's a real emphasis on outdoor appeal, with a high ground clearance of 217 mm, robust skid plates, and functional roof rails. It looks like it's ready for an adventure, because it is. Inside, the Duster has stepped up its game. It's more modern, better built, and far more comfortable than ever before. The star of the show. A 10.1-inch touchscreen running Dacia's latest infotainment system, snappy, intuitive, and available with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a 7-inch digital driver display, USB-C ports, and even a phone mount built into the dash, practical and clever. Plus, boot space ranges from 472 to 578 liters depending on the trim, making it a true family hauler. Under the hood, the 2025 Duster keeps things simple and efficient. There are 3 engine options: a 1.0-liter TCE turbocharged petrol with 100 horsepower, a 1.2-liter mild hybrid with 130 horsepower, and for the first time in a Duster, a full hybrid with 140 horsepower borrowed from the Renault Clio E-Tech. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but you can spec a 4x4 version on the mild hybrid model, perfect for rural roads or wintry conditions. And thanks to that new platform, the ride is more stable and refined than ever before. Fuel economy is a highlight. The hybrid model delivers over 60 miles per gallon, making it not just tough but cost-effective too. CO2 emissions are impressively low across the range, keeping running costs down. And for the first time, the Duster comes with a full suite of ADAS features: lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and traffic sign recognition, bringing it in line with modern safety standards. But here's the clincher: price. The 2025 Duster still undercuts most rivals. Starting around €20,000, it's one of the most affordable compact SUVs you can buy, especially considering how much kit you're getting. From base trims to the adventure-ready Extreme Edition, every Duster delivers solid value without the fluff. The 2025 Dacia Duster proves you don't need to spend big to get a capable, stylish, and well-equipped SUV. It's a car that's grown up without losing its sense of purpose: affordable, reliable, and ready for anything. Hit like if you take this Duster on your next adventure, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car reviews.